Maybe Facebook or get copyright, you know what? If I see anybody complain, come give me no guna no swear for you. As I dey talk, so if you like, don't share this video. If you like, don't like this video. Just sit down, to put your ear for jerrycan of water. May you get copyright for music. May you can't call me. Oh, guna go swear for you. You understand? Say, remember, when my queen was start, I know how many people don't tell me say because now, when my queen was start, a copyright, you can't complete copyright now, a copyright, you know. As I do my daughter birthday, all extra music we are play, they are all copyrighted video music. So please, ladies and gentlemen, content creator, live video presenter, na me say make una dey play Esther O Edokpayi Lady of Song for una platform. Na the same me now use God beg una make una no verse. I know say for all of una wey play the song, all of una no collect copyright woto. No verse. Esther music is copyrighted already. Before she no fed the time we are telling them on the plan, copyright no dey. But now copyright be like local Z boost for music. Why not play more? Because even me now never know the song we go turn us play. You understand? I not go know the song where I tell you I'm gonna play. Why I not go blame man? People they put in music, they collect money for your song. Like Rita FB, Kokobiri Mistress. Not me get music when I start get music. Kokobiri go put copy, go play music, go put copyright. You understand? So it's better she they put copyright for your song, they collect your money by himself. Than in a sing song, or another person they collect the money. That is the reason why I'm not blaming Esther. Esther been releasing music for everybody, maybe they watch, maybe they play, maybe they enjoy. But because of useless presenter, we copyright his song. Your husband don't go put copyright Destiny. I know that Destiny do Esther way. You understand? So I'm not going to blame her. I'm not blaming her because it's strength in your composing one, sing one, producing one. You know, I sing one, on one man, one, or your copyright, why they not go put copyright? Or say, man, I blame me. You might take Destiny with Destiny, what you know. Because even me, I don't beg Destiny, say, Esther guy presenter, Chebole presenter, no more copyright. CIA. You understand? Leave them for them. So as you put copyright and you blame her. One another verse or social media live video presenter, content creator, whereas maybe for myself forward the Esther music, say they play Esther music, why agree and answer up. If you know soon that what we they collect their water. Obi understand me now. So share this video. Let's go there. Everybody can break news in my one for this video. Now the major reason why I'm here today. Let me continue from where I stop. Move for quick, move for here sharp as the hot. Near making I relax. The journey I went through was too far. It was because of Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy Omoruyi. What? Shift closer. Mother episode. Episode 1 to episode 8. Abokia. How are you? What's it? Domania. Come Jacob. Now, let me read from where I stop, right? I think that should be what I should be done. Where I stop at okay, I stop here. I said, listen, let's go back to where I stopped. Please share this video and listen very carefully. Izzy Omoruyi replied me of the video I did today, a short video I did today. Now, I want to first of all remind Izzy back. He said, the first thing you posted was stop spreading fake false alarms. She is still alive. All we need is your prayer. My sister will not die untimely. Now, that was on the 17th of August. On the 23rd, on the 26th of August, Izzy, you posted and you said, my dearest sister, that's my dearest sister, I better not share this video, very important. I'm not calling you a joke, I'm not calling you the talking what no make sense. All of them go pick sense from all my nonsense. Because I always say this, in every nonsense, there is always a sense. So guys, sit down carefully. My dearest sister Sharon OKPAMEN left us on 23rd 8th 2024 to the cold hand of death. Sharon was family, my confidant, the only one who knew everything about me, the one who I trusted 100%. Yes, 100%. The bond was so close that we both have each other pain, bank pain, one of the last place, bank pain. Please share this video. Let the whole world sit down here and listen. And she laughed. Bank pain, and she laughed. This one person with the man, though. Person with the man, your own best friend, where they both get pain. This is what she's writing. And inside that writing, she's also laughing. Inside that writing, she's also laughing. Even when she was, see, come, Enogie, I'm not getting issue with you. Me, I'm not getting issue with you. No matter you're ranting, you're talking, you are here for make money. I am not here to make money. My page is not paying me. If you don't know me, you know now. What I am saying now, I'm not being paid for it by Facebook. I am talking straight, humanity, sincerity. You understand? And I analyze everything, every details about Izzy atrocity. You feel me? So no matter what you and your charlatans and your useless prostitute whip for her called wife, they talk. I don't care. It's son. For those that have wisdom to have his ears, they will sit down here and listen to every word I'm going to say here. You understand? Now, even including the family of Izzy, the family of OKPAMEN, both families should sit down and listen very carefully. We are all Benin's, and I will drag Izzy. I will drag Izzy. I'm talking about drag Izzy. Una go hear listen. Una go hear more stories about Izzy. Una go hear more stories about Izzy, and it will sound as a very big lesson to many of you out there who they follow bestie, who confide on bestie and family. Una go see lesson for this Izzy matter. Please share this video and let everyone listen, and always put love and like. If you don't share, put love and like, so that Facebook by itself will share it. It will go viral. This particular things we want to listen. And carry a barrel and pen. They underline every statement we are making, because time will come. I will ask you now. That same statement will come join us with this true story of what it by Sharon. Izzy. Now me tell you something, you back up for this matter. You understand? I know why I tell you something, you back up. But since you become stupid and you don't get sense, now what my deal can't do me, because I go drag you. Now the body they ground so. I want to see how your donation go dey work, because I go drag you with this Sharon dead body. You are a best friend. What happened to Sharon? And every details what I have, we go use them for court if you reach time reach. If you not take time. You understand? I don't get your time, but this time around, I don't get your time. I want to sit down with your matter down. Now, more than listen. She says, each other pain, back pain, bank pain, underline, bank pain. She laughed. Then she go for that to say, she trusted me with her past word. She trusted me with her past word. She trusted you with her password. Underline that place. That's to say you have a password, okay? She trusted me with her password to all our social media handles. She trusted you with her password with all our social media handles. Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and whatever else, etc. etc. You have the password, right? Beautiful, nice one. I greet you. So please, guys, share this video and listen carefully. Let's go there. She trusted you with all her password social media handle. She was a true sister who loved me so much, and I loved her right back genuinely. I wish I never went to holiday. I feel so bad for leaving you with tears, with emoji of tears. Well, I take it as it is, though this was never our plan. God, Sharon, lovers of kids, Mimi ask of you every minute. I want mommy. Anytime she say those words, my hearts break. Love of heartbreak, she posts. Osawese is growing so fast that you never see in your eyes since the mother departs. Listen, people. Osawese is growing so fast. Osawese that Izzy has never set her eyes on since Sharon departs. Until Umemwe, insisted that Izzy should return Mimi to the mother, to the grandmother. That's, listen, fake life, evil friends. Now, let me go back and say, she said, Osawese is growing so fast. She misses your tender touch. I love you, sis. Even in death, you are still my bestie. Love you forever. The kids are fine, but would have preferred you. We're here to look after them yourself. God knows the best. God knows best. I miss you so much. Shasha baby love. I greet you all with better style. Please share this video. Now, let's go back to today's video of Izzy Omoruyi. Please, guys, let's go back to the reply of Izzy.
There's a video circulating on the
Omoruyi.
Don't make it about then the phone where Mimi they use. Mimi carry phone come my Mimi not even carry phone come my house. Now the mama give me by herself. The phone Mimi na him be again.
Mimi carry phone come my house. Mimi not even carry phone come my house. Now the mama give me this phone say, okay, before Mimi na me reagier. That means now the mother, which is Sharon, give you phone say, this is me phone again. That's to say, you are trying to tell me that Sharon, hey God. Ladies and gentlemen, sit down carefully, share this video, let's cure this issue. That's to say, Izzy Omoruyi, you came out categorically to tell us that they called you that Sharon is uncommon. Now, you have to book your flight tickets, you book your mother's tickets, you end up the trip, you have to come back to Italy immediately because your friends are uncommon, right? Beautiful. And now the same you also tell us that you went to hospital to see Sharon, you on the phone for Sharon, at the same time, the Sharon have to tell you, say, a phone gave me nothing. There's somebody that's uncommon. Someone that's uncommon. I always said on my platform, you can control truth forever, you can control it forever. You can never control lies forever. Easy. Did you really travel? Tell the world the truth. Easy. Did you really traveled? Tell the world the truth. What happens to Sharon OKPAMEN? Did you really traveled? Tell the world the truth. Izzy Omoruyi. Tell the world the truth. Did you really travel? First, Go and watch your video from the upset. It's still on your page. You said the last time you communicated with Sharon said she has an headache, that she went to the hospital. They prescribed drug for her. She wants to go and get the drug. You never knew that was the last time you were going to communicate with Sharon. Hello? And you are on holiday. Hey, Papa with a smile. I think I should go back to the video again. Guys, please bear with me. Share this video and let's listen to Izzy again. Ewi, sit down, come closer. You go pick sense. If you get sense, you go pick sense from every word I'm going to say now about Sharon and Izzy communication. I don't know which episode for talk that one. Hold on. My sister, hold on, no verse. Let's go to episode 1. I remember I watched and listened to that video where you said, now where you did for holiday, now Sharon called you and said,
I beg go.
I agree with my woman, no verse, I beg go. Wanna be with me?
So Sharon actually told me that I should not travel before she gives birth. So I stood by it.
This episode 2.
I canceled my journey. I don't already book the journey. I can't cancel.
This episode 2.
Come carry and go. I can't say when you want to make a teacher, you can say at least 2 weeks after she don't born.
Okay.
I come drag and go 2 weeks after she don't born. I was with her in the hospital throughout. Now midday with her for hospital.
Please share this video. You guys will learn now.
I did happy say when my friend they alive, I was able to show her genuine.
I tell her, say, Sharon, not just carry by. Now something leads to Sharon by. Izzy, stay away from Sharon's dead body. But you refuse. And you know you why. And this time around, it will over you before Sharon. I will wait patiently. May they bury Sharon. But this time around, I'm not going to wait me they bury Sharon. I'm going to drag you. And the whole world will hear the story. The play. The whole world will hear the story.
She told me, she said,
I want to bring a preamble of Sharon death. Then I will bring her after Sharon death. What you did to Sharon. What you did to Sharon father. My people, fear friends, Izzy, what you did to Sharon father. What you did to Sharon father. I don't mind make. I will make it. Let's listen. Let's hear Izzy.
hey, thank God say I born for you. Who for fear do this one for me? You just there, yes. Sharon is somebody who appreciates. Sharon is a loving person. Let me if I hear anything they talk to Sharon, I hear they look at they laugh. Sharon, when me, I know. Except say maybe for her house, now another character I should get. Sharon is very appreciative. If you give Sharon 5 naira, the way go take thank you, go be like saying 5 million, now you give Sharon. Now that same character, now her daughter, Mimi carry. If you buy 1 pin for me, Mimi go, oh, wow, so beautiful. So guys, I traveled on the 13th. Only for me, I just reached my journey. Phone call come. Who they call? So, Mama NOSA. I will put the screenshot of the WhatsApp call here. She called me. They to know what I guess you know. Oh, where hospital? Hospital? Yeah, what grave? That means the case is serious. What's to know? We am as she cut that call, I was in complete confusion. Like, who I go call now? I have a brother here. You know, many people know my brother in radio. And my brother is very close to Sharon. My brother be like brother to Sharon. Because most of the things that Sharon they do for this city, now my brother they help and they do them. Go reach maybe she want to go see lawyer, she want to do anything, and the boy they follow and go. So I called him. I said, see you. Now he tell me, say, see where he a little bit far. Now I call one of our other friend. Now I said, babe, how far where you dey? See what they are.
Somebody called you. Say your friend case, they serious. They grave. They serious. You don't call us your friend phone. You didn't call. No, listen. You didn't call Sharon phone. Instead, you call your own brother. Listen, guys. hear her clearly. Instead, she called her own brother. Instead of calling Sharon her best friend, who they complain to her that she's in the hospital, she's serious. Definitely, before they call you, say the case, they grab her. Before the case was grabbed, she was in a coma, right? That means when Sharon was in coma, you were in Portugal. Auntie, listen. How come the person that is in coma, and you also took the daughter to her alongside, you also got you on the phone for her, right? And the same woman who was in coma also give you a phone of her daughter inside coma. Auntie, you didn't listen to yourself. You did listen to yourself. You did listen to yourself. My people, person where they coma. First they make up, first where they come and first they give phone to person where they come and first they only phone they give and make control. I bet I never go coma before. Who do weakness coma? Make una call. Voila. Easy no Omoruyi. Clap for yourself. I know Ewi is support of you. She can never pick sense from every nonsense I said. I said all my word are nonsense, but there's a sense in my nonsense. Ewi can never pick sense from my nonsense because she's stupid right now. It's not. She hates every word I said. Every word I say is disgusting to him. That's why you still see him supporting you. But with time, she will pick sense from my nonsense. Don't play. Hey, are you a boy, yo? Let's go there.
Let's listen. Okay, immediately that one caught taxi. She rushed to hospital. Now, I was not looking for them to give me information about what is going on. As I did the holiday, I'm not comfortable going on. So immediately, I carried my phone. All the hotel bookings cancelled. I carried my phone, buy ticket. I tell my mom, say, Mommy, not vest. Now you are the one carry. Now you are carry come this holiday before.
Okay, please. It's 2:28. Now here I will stop on. Somebody just speaks. They say, when she talks, say Sharon call. Let's go to episode 1. I think maybe in episode 1. I think maybe in episode 1 she will make that statement. Please just hold on. I want to go to all our episodes. I think in episode 1 she will make that statement. Yeah, this episode 1.
Hello guys.
Because I listened to that statement.
I'm not supposed to be doing this, but I have to do it because if lies don't too much, you need to clarify yourself. For the past few weeks where I lost my very dear friend, turned sister Sharon, a lot of lies have been said about me. That I'm here to say my own side of the story.
Go ahead, we're hearing you.
I'm not here for many talk, but let me just hit the point.
No, sorry, man, let's
briefly. So first, many people, some of you presenters, I know say, now our job, I need to feed my family.
Now the job with this, so please turn up this video.
So, but doing this,
turns up, let's blow my life.
Be very careful because many of them they carry too many lies. They go. I'm not here to come and tell you not to stop doing your lies until one day when you could meet somebody, we could finally drag on and enter way on and no. Then I go no say this job when they do so, not be the right job. I'm not here to cover that. So first, some of them accuse me say I plan, I travel, and make me. I travel so that something will come happen for back. Some people call me fake friend. They call me this. Now so I know they mourn. Now so this. Now so that. First I traveled. That journey was supposed to be before Sharon gave birth. Sharon herself I begged me say I don't want bone for your back. If you shift this your journey, now take shift them. Sharon was not supposed to go on the 31st. Sharon was supposed to give birth on the 4th of August. That was her due date. That year she was in my house. Till about 11 p.m. before she go out. 31st night she entered labor around 2 a.m. Now she entered labor to go hospital. That is not why I'm here. Sharon gave birth on the 31st. I was with her in the hospital from morning to evening. And she called me down to 7 in the morning. I don't born. I say, this is how you call me in the morning. Don't born. That's why I tell rush. I shower, I rush, go hospital. I was there from morning to evening.
The phone was on.
The next day I was also there because there for hospital you need somebody to help you.
The phone was not on.
Somebody to help you go, let me do this one, let me do that one. I was there with her all through. Until like on the 2nd where she come to say, I beg, if you as I come on 2nd, if you they go ask, let me collect my baby for my mama hand, make you go take care of her. And the mother by herself give me the baby for McDonald's, then I for meat for Via Amelia. We met, she gave me Mimi, and I carry me met out McDonald's, we eat, then we go out. Even when we go out, I even made a video inside the bus where I sent to Sharon, because I know say Sharon love her daughter so much. When you say person love picking, Sharon love Mimi like. So as she did hospital, anything will make her day happy. I was always doing it. I video myself and Mimi. The video, I'll put it here. I can't tell her, say, they go out, so see. No, you say, I love you, I'll put it on my reels later. Go and see. So that's for that. As she was discharged.
Frank Bola. I just read your your write-up. I know say you're confused when I say Izzy, what do you do to Sharon father? Izzy, can't use your mouth, tell the world what you told Sharon father. Sharon still get father. The father still there alive. Sharon father is still alive. He's not dead. When time reach, go scatter every ground. Don't play. Sharon still get father. The father is still alive. The mother is dead. The father is still alive, but the mother is dead. When time reach, we will explain the dead mother and the living mother and the living father and the dead father. Izzy know them all. Izzy know them all. When time reach, Izzy, you go explain after. You see, I just talk small. I never bust code. I just use pin. They talk to you. Use your brain. Use your mouth. Confess your sin. Before I will come and call disgrace you. They pretend to be a good person. I never know who you be. You see Sharon dead body will expose who you be. I try to cover your sin. But you cease to be dead. Because you think nobody know your secrets. You think nobody know your secrets. But my dear sister, it has been exposed. And it's going to be a lesson to every one of you out there. They get bestie, my bestie. What is the loss of you? Don't play. Let's hear from you. We're going to pick some from all your videos. You know the mom.
He told me, bring me come.
Sit down.
My mother said,
They reply me. And I'm going to analyze you.
First her reach her mama's side before she come back from hospital. She come meet me and Mimi for her mama's side. So all this one they talk say me and mama they quarrel like how we have never quarreled. Don't you want to make me follow but 50 cent quarrel, mama shall quarrel. Me and her will not be age mates, will not be friends. The only thing that links us together is Sharon. Because me and a person will not come off for house. All the African bar for my radio me that they know say you can never see me in African bar. The only bar you can see me is Mama Sharon's bar and because of Sharon. Me and Mama Joey. When we like go why he win or what. Now so my life be right from time. Maybe because I went to a boarding school, so I'm used to that kind of life. So all of you saying that I spent 4 days, I spent 3 days. Oh, Sharon came back on the 31st. I traveled on the 13th. That's after 2 weeks. You can do the mathematics yourself. 2 weeks, because I felt Sharon was okay now. Sharon was strong now. And I never knew such thing would happen. And I only left because another of our friend, she traveled all the way from Germany to come and help. Now she even the bath baby, they do everything. And I want to say thank you. To all Sharon friends where they don't criticize online, I want to say thank you to all of you because you guys have been a nice friend to Sharon. Sharon, they tell me how Unate impact her life. Although now she's no longer with us, they call Una bad names. They say Una be fake friends, Una be bad people, but all of you have impacted Sharon's life. If I begin to call names, Una where they Germany, where the Sharon they stay with anytime she come, Una know Una self. I don't want to put Una name, they don't call the saga Una. Thank you. You guys were so. Sharon told me how you took good care of her, how she they feel at home when she did with you. To all Sharon's friend that stood for her when she was here, I want to say thank you to all of you. They drag on for social media, Mona not look at, Mona just pay their fears to them because they need to chop. So they're not drag on, they're not going to get food because they're not getting other work that they do.
Beautiful.
So their only job is to bring you guys down so that you can put food on their table. So that is the first one I'm here to debunk. I traveled on the 13th of August. Sharon gave birth on the 31st of July. So you can do the mathematics yourself. Those of you saying I left 4 days, I left 1 day, I left 2 days. It's so painful. Say na Facebook. There's a video circulating on the internet. In fact, three
This
of my
part
colleagues.
9.
So
This
many
part
things.
8. This part 4.
So I came back.
This part 3. This part that was 4.
So Sharon actually told me that I should not travel before she gives.
I stop at 20.
And so I carry my phone, buy ticket. I tell my mom, say, Mommy, not vest. Now you are the one carry. Now you are carry come this holiday before to come to relax yourself. Because my mother they work for school. So when school day holiday, she the day house. And they want resume. Now make me be one. Now every year we the travel go holiday. Even that last year, Sharon follow us go. All of us see the video where we go swim for, see, do everything. Many of us see those videos. So now so I take carry my phone, rebook another ticket back to Italy.
That's
so we take come back.
Yeah.
That very day where I come back, it was a public holiday. No motor, nothing they work. I took taxi from the train station down to my house. Then I got prepared. The conference and waiting with the time of the visit. They come tell me say 1 and 6. Our friend really go. We went to see Sharon only for me to see Sharon. She was in a critical condition, and I had faith. I told all my friends. I said, "This is not time to cry. This is time for all of us to
Zuzu.
Because Sharon might be fighting to come back, and she
say the shape for me,
to have strength to come back."
Should I block you or not?
After visiting,
answer my question. Zuzu Boo.
I went to her place.
Should I block you now or I should leave you to listen to everything?
People were around her.
Answer the question. Let me see your answer.
I said, Mommy, and she asked me, what's the
Let me see your answer.
I was giving her reports because at that time everybody needs to be strong. I told her, I said, you need to know strong because Sharon might be fighting to come back. And you know, say come up. Let's if they try to come back. I said, so she need our strength to be strong. And she said, okay. So this part where on the talk say that's why I follow Mama Sharon play. That's why I don't respect the mama. I call her mommy. I never want to call her Madam 50 Cent. Mommy, maybe I need me. I call the begin the play voice note where me and her take the talk for WhatsApp. Come out. So that was how we were going to the hospital morning and evening every day. And now me, that she the same message. Pastor want pray on me. Anybody want pray on me. Anybody na me. She goes, so we may la go. Whatever ni na the number pastor na we phone your general na me. Na me. So this one narrative say I not support the mama. I not be friend to the mama. I don't know where I get time from. I don't know who's telling you guys all those things. That is why I said whatever they are told you is a lie. Because I have evidence to everything. I'm going to screenshot our WhatsApp conversation and put it online for you guys to see that. To see the last day when me and Mama Sharon talk rich. I'll be coming to that. I don't want job. I want to do this thing bit to bit. I don't want to do live video. I want just explain bit to bit. So the part of say we know the talk. That's why I come.
I share video. I share video.
Yes, as a friend.
When I share the video,
I need to ask questions when I come. Say, what's
where they go for them, they are person. Now we talk.
On the 12th.
Now we decided to play the video.
I spoke to her and she told me, oh, I began headache. I go hospital. I said, how you did?
Now, my people, I will draw this thing backward. Play them again. This is place where they find. Where I want play for una. Make una listen. Let me go back.
Video. I want just explain bit to bit. So the part of say we know the talk. That's why I come. That's all this. That's all that. Yes, as a friend, I need to ask questions when I come. Say what's sunu? I ask the mom what's sunu because me as
she said when she come back on travel, she asked Izzy, a Sharon mother, what's sunu? What happened? That's to say, where she did travel, then they call her, say Sharon nowhere. According to her, when she arrived back home, she have to go to Sharon's mother and ask her, Sharon, Mama, what soon? What happened to Sharon, my best friend? What happened? Now let's hear for her. What happened? Well, second, don't play. Easy. This time, go over you. Hear her.
Spoke to Sharon on the 12th, on Monday. I spoke to her and she told me, oh, I began headache.
When I wait to go on verse.
I want just explain bit to bit. So the part of say we know the talk. That's why I come. That's all this. That's all that. Yes, as a friend, I need to ask questions when I come. Say what's sunu? I ask the mom what's sunu Because me, I spoke to Sharon on the 12th, on Monday. I spoke to her and she told me, oh, I began headache, oh, I go hospital. I said, how you did?
On the 12th, she spoke to Sharon on phone. The same phone that was hard to own. Now she came to own. Guys, listen and listen good. On the 12th of, where is it, August, she spoke to Sharon. What's up? How you doing? I go hospital, I get headache. She did for where? For Portugal, where she said she traveled. She spoke to Sharon. Oh, listen, sister.
I know say I stand that day. How you can't do? She go say, she's getting better. Say she won't even go buy medicine. Say they give her medicine to go buy. I never knew that was the last conversation I will ever have with Sharon. If I knew that was the last,
yes, my people, I greet you all with better style. This is where I hold this girl hostage. So you there, Portugal, you call Sharon. Tell her, say, how you did on it well. And she said she did okay. She want to go buy medicine. And you never knew that was the last conversation you're going to have with her. So when did you have the conversation with her? Where Sharon gave you her daughter's phone in the hospital when she was in coma, when she was going to go and visit her in coma. Where she for come give you, take this one and me phone, take me phone. Where you on the phone for her? A hard phone. Izzy Omoruyi. Tell the world the truth about Sharon. What happens to Sharon? Izzy. Tell the world the truth. What really happens to Sharon? Your word is not sincere. Tell the world. Because what you said now, you were not in the hospital, you were in your travel where you travel to, and you called Sharon. And Sharon told you on Monday or the 12th that she is going to the chemist, to pharmacia, to go and get the drugs. English, you call her chemist. Italy say pharmacia, to go get drugs. How you did? You did fine. You want to get drugs. And you never knew that was the last time you would ever communicate with her. So how come you now go to visit her in the hospital? You went to the mother's house and took Sharon and took a Mimi. Took Mimi to your house. Inside the bus, you do a video of Mimi and you took Mimi to the mother. And when you get to the mother gave you Mimi's phone. Say this one, Mimi phone. Oh, you give her to Mimi. And at the same time, you on the phone from Sharon. Easy. Tell the world the truth about what happens to Sharon OKPAMEN. Easy. Tell the world the truth. What happens to Sharon OKPAMEN? Easy. Tell the world the truth about you and Sharon OKPAMEN. Tell the world the truth. Don't play. Tell the world the truth. Let the world hear this loud and clear. Easy. Tell the world the truth. What happened to the death of Sharon OKPAMEN? Talk. Begin to talk truth. We not will beat you. We will set you free. But you want to know what really happened to Sharon. Wetin make una kill Sharon? Wetin make una buy Sharon? Talk am. You dey in the position of one. I never want go to the father's side after Sharon's death. What you did. I only tell you today, see, go log in the Facebook of Sharon to Sharon's phone. If the phone not on, I know what's me go log in the Facebook to Sharon's phone. Easy. Do the right thing. Don't play. Nobody's stupid. In terms of this Facebook things, you don't need to reach me. You understand? Easy. What you did. I never go to Sharon contacts. I never want to go deeper and deeper into Sharon's contacts. Easy. Sharon father. What happens to this Sharon father that is still alive today? What plans did you have to bury Sharon alongside with Sharon father? Izzy Omoruyi, what plans did you have with Sharon's father to bury Sharon in Italy here? Say this truth too. Not let me come out for you. Say the truth. Don't let me come up for you. Izzy, what plans? You see a we with a sharp like dog with the wife. I don't get their time. They go sit down, they take updates for me. They do their live video. They saga me. But I'm on their own. But I'm here to say the way it is. Izzy! What happened to Sharon? Because with all your analysis, all your episode 1 to episode is all scripts you wrote. You see now? You see where God expose you. You see where the ancestors they expose you. You see where a tornado they expose you. Ni kauya they fire you and me. Is no way moji. Ebe no gbenu do TV live video. Ne matter. They cliff anala we. We ta said your way a shout you way. Kabo yen adokun. When my that was the last time we are going for. Yotane, una rota said your way a shadow we have a hospital or come or not ye put in one little way. Don't change. Come on, bring it up again and change the narrative again. We are here to also analyze you. We are here to also analyze you. Izzy Omoruyi. You can only control truth forever. You can never control lies forever. After Sharon gave birth, 2 weeks later, now Izzy travel. Immediately as he travel, go watch Izzy video. Immediately as Izzy travel, he never spent how many days for where a day. You don't know, make the year now. Now Sharon fall down. Go hospital. Saying the feel headache. If you don't know, make you know. Maybe they explain things to you. You understand me so? Now she they talk. Now what is she they talk and they analyze? Not me they talk. Now what is she they use her man they talk here now? Now they analyze. If you dey sleep, make you wake up. Now what is she dey use her man they analyze now? Now they play now. Now they play. Make her play am again.
I know say I stand that day. How you can't do? She go say, she's getting better. Say she won't even go buy medicine. So they give her medicine to go buy. I never knew that was the last conversation I will ever have with Sharon.
Yeah.
If I knew that was the last, I for no waiting to do. But not be God.
Yeah.
So that part when they talk say, I they get quarrel with the mother. I don't know where. I've never quarreled with her before. Whoever is telling her anything, I don't know why they are doing it, but maybe God is using it to tell me something. I don't know. Or say, so we'll go to the third line. So the second one, as I just clarified myself, whoever wants to believe will believe. Who don't want to believe? Yoruba will say, so my happiness is I was able to show my friend genuine love, not be that fake one. Genuine love. I took her like a sister. She was always with me. When you say always, Sharon will stay 1 week, they will not see like 4 or 5 times. All my neighbors know her.
Izzy, you took Sharon like a sister. You just said. You show her genuine love. You just said. Izzy, you took Sharon like a sister. And you bastard just Sharon in the back after her death. Izzy, you took Sharon like a sister and you stabbed her in the back after her death. Izzy, are you sure you took Sharon as a sister? You took Sharon as a sister. What did you do to Sharon's father in Denmark? Tell the world. Izzy, no emoji. Before I go start to expose you, tell the world what you did to Sharon's father. Izzy, tell the world what you did to Sharon's father after Sharon died. Izzy, tell the world why you were eager to hold Mimi. And tell the world what you were doing with Mimi to Sharon's father. Izzy, talk before I go talk. Talk before I go talk. Izzy, talk before I go talk. Because this saga when they wait also, you go bloody. Iwaji no yori always saga reo. A saga no rena get momo. We just no gigi saga no worry. A saga no rena o get babu hame. I get baby momo. I fancy no more when no matter get biya. I get biya mo. Iwaji no yori saga no worry. A saga no rena o get baby momo. O seke ludo. O se buna me o jive. O se wa gbe o se buna me o ra me. E o se no go ma danyo ya. No mo ma o. O so go ga me prospun. Oh, Baba. I don't want drink. You know, I drink, they worry me. Let me go and want drink. I get drink for fridge. I just don't want because this kind of thing, not supposed to be months. Look at the way I done. A good topic is easy now. Okay, why I'm maybe I want no. Oji di makba. Oji amasomi. Oji amakwada. Where? Amarene. Yo, I go for. I laugh. Izzy, no we Omoruyi. Izzy, let me play your video. Ya yek me video nukawa. No we no ya reply me make be for. A point no one kind. I don't be bonk. I don't get more. Because the more you talk, I will expose you. It's just
I didn't live 2 days.
Wait, live 2 days. No one to do. I live 2 days. On I want 2 days. You wanna? The moon we have.
So send me that video. Look, now my friend, family for the send me message now. So far, Victor actually sent a message to me this morning, telling me that I should go and put Sharon's Facebook back on her phone. Ah God, we Marco. I'm not commercial on Facebook on my phone. I gave, like I told you guys before, Imaro wa Sharon like Koma, MAVM now. So the phone is with the brother. Sharon get iPhone. The iPhone not the on. He can't have away. Now the iPhone, I can't never not do your.
Oh wait, see, when I listen, when I share this video, see, I just go beg inshallah. Wallahi salam alaikum. I just go beg. Oh we Imaro wa Sharon like Koma. Yemaruwa the Sharon like Koma. Don't get it twisted. Always try to learn. Pick sense from Izzy, Sharon. The two of them, Sharon not there to explain itself. Now only Izzy now they talk. They pick sense from Izzy talk. They analyze them. Yemaruwa the Sharon like Koma. Umaruwa like Koma. Now I want to ask this question. What is this now? If I do saga, I'm say I do saga. I got the verse now. This is easy. See, your life not the people the verse. Your life now not the people the verse for you. Umaru wa Sharon like Koma. I'm one of the year. Umaru wa like Koma. That means when you come, when you travel, a Sharon. See, and when we travel, question. The answer is no. Now you and your mama go travel. You don't carry me for nobody. That's to say, a Sharon for a coma. Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy Sharon Omoruyi. Whoever tested you, we Sharon. We are more boy, una much maybe boy. Abi, a Sharon for a coma. Sister, you saw boy in Disguagua Izzy. Do come at bon. Omoruyi coma. Velo ya ni foi mimi noe. Velo Omoruyi coma ya ni foi mimi noe. Do come at bon. Iyo salo bua iyene kao ebo panya iya awe baya no karu ledu Izzy iya imiawe do ka mi biedo we ne Sharon we no ya ye phone mimi no e body koma we no ya on phone iPhone Sharon body koma ne he we ke chabode bu ya mi ye mo bo wa o me vaga aguye uno ya mi e no jinoro when I hear me we Sharon I do ye phone me no where or recoma o mati your mind now salo bo dazi la wo is no be mo ji so wine bu we secret Sharon you recoma e mimi na you bo we gbe ona te mommy wake up iye ma ho o ma yo ona te mommy wake up iye na e bo Sharon I'm Sharon Izzy, my bestie. Take this phone, is for my Mimi. Give my Mimi this phone. I am in coma. Oh, I can't know how we are swimming. See, at the face.
Hello.
Hello. What's up, baby?
On your brother, David, always Sharon.
Sharon always oblige. Abi you know a video, you know send there. Omanore coma. But I even with my party, you Omanore coma. Boy, ya kissing mu. No ya wish. No ya mimi oblige. Boy, ya with video Omanore coma easy. Why ya go to hospital?
Kiss me. Wang. Oh God. People don't wake me up. Man, they wake me up. Man, what is my phone? You don't be kidding. You don't be bad. You don't be bad. Man, they wake me up. In only way, Saga. Why woman? Ali. Oh, what you know? And me, God. You say you know what you know where I tell Izzy, mo egwana, and we to analyze now. Omoruyi coma, Uware coma ne, where they travel, where I will adiowa. Omoruyi coma na hamona giwohu, ya mimi yene. No kunne baoge. Uri no we video no send that Omoruyi coma. E phone ni, isabu bua papa. Ha? Oria oh. Okay, I even room and I would be. And I would be. And I would be. Easy. Akobo gigba. Akobo menwamu wena. Akobo menwere ya ko. Ogwari gwan. Akobo menwere waye. Omuna. Wa zigi boy. Osi na you boss kan we Izzy no Omoruyi. La wa. Izzy no Omoruyi. La wa. Ina kan Izzy no Omoruyi. La wa. Ege mata si no. On yen gbe. Asina danena. Ga so kidege zegire. Omoruyi coma. Ona we amu obijin. The same Omoruyi coma. Una video money wo moto. Umori wa. Una sene video. Hello, we are hearing you. What up, baby?
Hello, good evening.
Oh, baby, mommy.
Thank you. May I quickly clear some things? You see, with she said when Sharon born, the time when that one affected born, now she take like now she go meet her for hospital.
You dey hear me? He said, as she reach hospital, go meet her. They won't try to call her, say she don't go. Now, dear Sharon come beg her, make she help her go meet her mother for sure. Make she collect me go her. Based on say her mother, they always dey busy. He said, now he come carry me go her. That was when Sharon born, when she dey hospital, when she take born. He said that video when she said she dey record me, they said give the mother. That was when Sharon put to bed. He said because Sharon know they fit stay without her daughter. Now you go don't record them for her. That they go constant and give Sharon for hospital because that one they give her friends for hospital. That is what he put to bed. Not be the time when he dey coma she talk. And another thing, that phone when she talk when they give her, when she come back the time when she travel, when Sharon dey coma, she say he can't go meet Sharon for hospital. And she finish for hospital, he don't know say the condition critical. Now she can go meet Sharon mama for house. Make me ask her, say, what did happen? She come me say people too many for there. Now she take carry me. Now Sharon mama give her me. As they want come on, now Sharon mother give her the phone, say take me phone. Now when she refer with that, she not talk say now Sharon give her phone. When she say her mother, she referring to the grandmother of Mimi. For my own understanding of the video, I am sorry, I beg, thank you.
Okay, for your own understanding. Okay. Thank God she said for her own understanding, not be easy your understanding. There is the record. Now what is the talk now they analyze?
A problem no cause I don't update iOS okay. Even hospital it took
Adam, I'm taking it back now. The reply of Izzy una listen.
family for the same message now. So for Victor actually sent a message to me this morning telling me that I should go and put Sharon's Facebook back on her phone. Ah God, we Marco. I'm not commercial on Facebook on my phone. I gave, like I told you guys before, Imaro wa Sharon like Koma, now. So the phone is with the brother. Sharon get iPhone. The iPhone not the on. You can't have the iPhone. I can't not do your cable. A problem no cause Sharon update iOS okay. Even hospital, it took me time before I could on it for her. So if I'm not going my iPhone, I could not do your.
Who should they on the phone for? A mother or a father or Sharon. Now, in mama they use iPhone. Who should they on the iPhone for hospital? That's the question. A manoga which is the people we deal with her for hospital. When she did travel, the people she call, she did with Sharon for hospital. They don't even know how to on the phone. Sister, I believe you sit down, you listen. Me, you understand now. I explain now make you understand. Maybe you know the hear me. But I English you tell explain us now. Make you understand now. As she come back from travel, she go see Sharon and she take on the phone for Sharon. You dey hear me so? Obi understand what I mean? Obi you tell her it's Shagbalo. Yeah. But if how? Yeah. Oh yeah, let's go. Mr. Madam Sharon. You know my easy. Hold on.
So of which now we have flash or dollar. I don't know anything about then the phone where Mimi they use.
Yeah.
Mimi carry phone come my Mimi not even carry phone come my house. Now the mama give me by herself say phone Mimi na him be gear. But anyway, she the mama keep the camera my phone even the Sharon go na wa market no go wa the phone share ya.
Okay, this place is not the mama. Either the Sharon mother or Sharon Mimi mama. Either Sharon or the mother na give her Mimi phone. According to her now the mama give me phone. Either Sharon or the mother. Let's put it as the mother, not Sharon. You understand? Let's position it now as the mother, not Sharon. And that we all.
It's a form of distraction for some mothers, at least. Obviously, if we're at the phone, you're again. See time till they do one or two things. So when Mimi was with me, I literally kept that phone aside. She didn't use that phone throughout because I felt like communicating with her, talking with her always, so that she can be talking properly. So I threw away the phone. Or because of the way I hurry can be live video. Hey, return no more. We may get phone nigga in our way. Even Tina said, once you know what I have a view again, and I was really mimi again. Only for them to contact me say, Mama phone in a very phone, I really not you and not you because your pass over me. Your parents said, I have a phone. That was it. And I don't have anything. I'm not an admin to Sharon's Facebook. Sharon's Facebook even have a problem. If you guys are not careful, she might lose that Facebook forever. Because as of last year, she made a mistake. She removed herself as an admin from the Facebook. It took me a whole day. Natana attention. A whole day to recover that. It was me that recovered that Facebook back for her. It recovered her phone. So when she was leaving, because she could not make anybody admin, because already while we were mistaken in and you cannot make anybody admin anymore. When she was going to Nigeria, she begged me to go here and post because that time Nigeria was not monetized. So in her go and post. As we speak now, even our emails.
Oh my God! You just shoot your level. You just can't go shoot yourself or leg. Boy, yo, Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy Omoruyi. You were the one that retrieved the page for her. And you were not admin on the page. And you retrieved the page for her. And then Nigeria was not monetized. You were the one that was helping her to post the video she wanted to do for Nigeria. For you to be a God, Jesus, Izzy, Izzy, why? Now, Izzy, please, can I ask, stop it. Greater love. Please, can you help me to post on my Facebook? Can you help me to post on my Facebook? James Ubi, can you help me to post on my Facebook? Please, Italy is not monetized. James Ubi, can you help me to post on my Facebook? Blessing, please, can you help me to post on my Facebook? Every one of you, 700 people watching me now, please, can you help me to post on my Facebook? I'm on billion, please, can you help me to post on my Facebook? Divine, please, can you help me to post on my Facebook? I need some content, please. Can you help me to post the content that people are creating? Can you help me to post on my Facebook? Genealogy, can you help me to post on my Facebook, please? Please, can you help me to post on my Facebook? Frank Amazwa, can you help me to post on my Facebook? Tracy, can you help me to post on my Facebook? Please help me to post. Come on, baby girl. Who are you lying to? What do you know about system? What do you know for Facebook? Who you did say you left? Sharon. Yo, I pity. Sharon. Now you finish your family like this for friends. Huh? Sharon, you to do, Sharon. You to do, I swear to God. Huh? Izzy Omoruyi. Why you they lie? So as you just find like this, you know, for you they talk truth, you know, for you live a happy life, you know, for you live things, you know, for you be free, you know, for you be free. Enogie, please, can you help me to post on my Facebook? Mama, yeah, Nora, please, can you help me to post on my Facebook? Oh, come on, stop this lie, man. Babe, stop this lie now. Why you lie like this? Why you lie like this? Enogie, if somebody not be admin, if you not be editor for page, can you post on that Facebook? Can you upload content on that Facebook? It's a question. Now you ask that question. Enogie, if you know, say waiting Sharon talk so and truth, she not be admin for Sharon page, but she they upload Benin movie where they add for Sharon page. How possible is that? Enogie, please answer this question. This is your own question, not for Sharon. Not for Izzy, I mean to say, this is your own question. Good news or good bad. Come on, get out of my platform. Now you'll be the first person who want for block for you. Me if I block you. Who is so family of boy? Who you in family? Babola we be. If you know my boy. If you don't get what you want to talk, don't make the look. If you don't feel look, off your phone, sleep. Don't work tomorrow. No, go work tomorrow. Now, before person upload for your Facebook, you must get access to your Facebook. If person not get access to your Facebook, enough you upload for your Facebook. Now, let's go to the first statement we have read. We both share the same pain. We both have each other's pain. All her social media handles, I have the password. So Izzy, why will you deceive? Who you they deceive? Who you they deceive? Izzy, I repeat, and I said, go and log in the Facebook of Sharon to Sharon's phone. It's very important. You get why? You get why? Things stop today. Big things stop today. Don't be small quarrel. You get why? Izzy, you never tell your boy what happened today. Why the family not come and call talk today? You understand? Izzy no your Omoruyi. Oimi no we. Eogera. Eogijwe. Eogegbewe. Ona hinu na hunyahu. Izzy no your Omoruyi. Umana gbagbe oyere. Umana gbagbe oyere. Ikpe abokpa ya boss yomode. Ude yiri inwe. You get why? You get why? Ude yiri inwe. The mice one saga we. Ye bu odi. Izzy, look here.